brown flour. It's for brown bread. Yeah, it's very important for the healthy. And I do it like my grandmother did it. So my grandmother did it in this way. Okay. First the flour. It's almost 1 kilo. 1 kilo means then you have then also 1 kilo bread. Then a little bit white flour. Yeah, is also important so that the bread doesn't get too hard, too browny. So that's why I do white. You can also do it only with this flour, but I do a little bit of this, maybe 200 grams, but I do it like I think that is enough. You see, it's plus minus 200 grams from white flour. Take a whole. You don't have to mix it. It will mix when I, how do you say it? When I'm putting the milk, the water, and all these things. We do milk in the middle, a little bit, water, normal water, yeah. We do not all at once. We must wait till we know sure that the dough is not too sticky and nice to knead it. Yeah, so we do like when you do cement and sand, it's the same thing. So in the middle, yeah, don't worry that everything gets nasty, but it's normal. You must work with your hands, and I have washed my hands. Don't forget, wash your hands when you do dough or anything what has to do with cooking, you know. See? And when you make dough, it's the best that you take your time, you enjoy it, you know. Don't rush these things. When it is cooking or baking, take your time and put some music so that you have some music, and you will see. The more love you do in your dough, how better it tastes. Believe me. Yeah. So it's not enough. No, the third step is the feast. So the starter. They say also starter. Like I said before, I make my own starter, and I'll let you see how much I do. So that is a starter from the other day. So this is now almost 4 weeks. So I let you also see how you feed it. You must feed it every time. Yeah. So I need a spoon. This. See, 1 and 2. 2 spoons. Yeah. So now I let you see how you feed it again, yeah, because now it's 2 spoons less. So we do with the white flour, like I say, we do a little bit, yeah, and then a little bit water, also a little bit, not too much. That is feeding. You feed the yeast, the starter I think they say, and you mix it. You mix it, and now you will see that it goes down. It is not anymore, fluffy, I think it calls. You see it? I don't know if you see it. So I mix it. Yeah, you see it's now fluffy. You mix it till you think it's okay. Yeah. So tomorrow, when you go back to look, it is then more. Yeah. Now you see it's here on this side. So then we put the lid on. Voila, it's closed, and you leave it there till tomorrow. And tomorrow you will see it comes more, always more. So you feed, when you take away, you must feed them again. Yeah. So I let it rest there. So that is then the feast. We don't waste anything. We take also from the spoon, everything that is up. When you use dry flour, you can make your spoon like this. Okay. So now we mix with the yeast, the starter, I think they say, yeah. And like I say, take your time. I have here something like this. All what is on the table, you can do it. You see? So you must have to be patient. That's also when you make pizza. It's the same. You must take your time. Then we go again with milk. Yeah, a little bit milk. Slowly, slowly. And the salt, you do it almost at last, on the end, almost on the end, because if you do yeast and salt, you break the yeast out of the starter. It will not rise your bread, you know. So that's the milk. Do a little bit of water again, and then I do the salt. And salt is really very important for your bread. I don't like bread that is not tasty without salt. No, it's not good. It's healthy, yeah, okay. If you do it without, it's healthy, but I don't like it. It doesn't taste good. Okay? You see, you must have be patience and make love to your dough. Yeah, no water again. You do this, water, until your dough becomes, like a baby skin. You know, baby skin is soft and nice. Okay. You can also buy flour already with salt. There's already salt in it. Then you don't have to put salt. Yeah, and that's like my grandmother did it. My grandma, also the mother for my mother. And I've learned it from my mother and my father. My father was also a good cook. Yeah. Italian, I think they love cooking, the man. It's mostly the man that cooks. Not in the time for my grandmother. The time for my grandmother was the woman that did cooking and baking and all these things. But now, everybody, does the thing. So I'm gonna let you see till now I do the salt. Yeah. You try to take everything off your hands. That's the salt. Don't forget the salt. And also, like you think is enough. And this is low salt. It's healthier than the normal salt. This is low salt. But you can put salt what you want. Doesn't matter what type salt or not. If you are someone that has too much cholesterol, then you must take low salt, not the normal salt. It's too much. You see how I do it? Yeah. So I'm gonna do further, and later on I will let you see, because you continue with milk and water. Yeah. And then I'll let you see how it becomes, because it's not only 10 minutes. It goes a long time. So I will make love now with my dough, and then I come back. I'll let you see where I stop to. So you see, you have now a bowl, but it's not ready. I'll let you see the steps how you can do. It must be become smooth. So I'll let you see now the next step. So I do this, and then you fold it again. You turn it around, and then you go. I think so 10 minutes. You must work 10 minutes, really. If you don't do that, it will not rise your bread. It will not become soft when it's done, the bread. You see what I do? And then I roll it, and then again. Voila. See? You must make love with the dough. Nicely smooth. When it is too heavy, I use also a little bit olive oil. Yeah, it's important to not do this on the plate, and then we go forward. It's like exercising. I don't know if I say it right. Exercising, but you see what I do? I hope it's visible on the camera. Yeah, and 10 minutes, I don't forget. So I will come back after 10 minutes and then you will see what we do next. So you see now, okay, so it is, it must not be dry. You must have a little, yeah, but it is smooth. You see, it's smooth. So I have to do it for 10 minutes. Then you do a ball, voila, so that it doesn't stick on your plank. You do flour, because now the dough has to be rest for maybe an hour, 2 hours. It depends how warm your living room is, or your kitchen where you are. You know, you do a ball. You see a ball, and it's, yeah, it must be smooth. So you do it on the floor, and then we do like a yeah, to make it warm, so that it's warm, you know. So you let it rest for yeah, I will see how it must almost be double the dough, double. So I will let you see when it's done. Okay, let it rest, and always put I don't know how to call this. There's a, yeah, I don't know, but you see it, huh? Alright. So here we are. The bread is ready. I must apologize. I thought I was recording, but it wasn't. So now you will only see that the bread is ready for out of the oven. So the next time I will try to look on my camera that I do record and not pause. So my apologies, but the next video I will show you all the steps. But you didn't miss much. It was only, yeah, when I decorate the bread with the sesame seed. But you will see now that I took it out. I will take it out of the oven, how the bread is become. Okay, so now I'm in the oven, and you will see the bread. Maybe it here. You see, the bread is ready. And this is what you missed there. So the decoration from the bread, but otherwise it's beautiful. It's, I think, tasty. Normally it is tasty because it's not the first time that I did the bread. So that's the end from the video. And yeah, my apologies for the mistake that I did, that I thought I was recording but that I wasn't. So that's the final touch from the video. Okay, so till next time, and have a nice day, and we see you in the next appointment with maybe pizza.